And after Helene, not that we want to see a Atlantic basin that looks like this, but there's some good news. There's some storms we can write off as fish storms. So that's Joyce and Isaac, and likely newly formed Tropical Depression 12. And another area of interest just coming off the coast of Africa, but it is this area in the Western Caribbean we are watching because this could impact some folks in time. Now, we have probably a week to watch this because it's getting very slow, having a hard time organizing, but we're looking in this vicinity for an area of low pressure to develop in the next few days and then likely lift into the Gulf of Mexico, where, as we know, it's a pretty conducive environment for tropical systems to develop and strengthen, intensify due to the warm waters, and a lot of times we have a lack of wind shear there in the Gulf. 50% chance that this would develop. Now, I want to let you know this isn't looking like an exact repeat of Helene at this time. It shows it having some difficulty. Once it gets in this area, it might kind of break into two entities, and I'll show you that coming up to help explain that. But right now, 50% chance of development with that system. Now, we have Tropical Storm Joyce in the central Atlantic, not bothering anyone, and expected to weaken to a remnant low by midweek. Max winds only 40 miles per hour. Tropical Storm Isaac has weakened from a hurricane. In fact, it is expected to weaken to a depression in the next day or so, and right now max winds down to 70 miles per hour, moving to the northeast at 12 miles per hour. Now, this is a very active region here just off the coast of Africa. This is the little disturbance that has about a 30% chance of development in the next 7 days, but this is newly formed Tropical Depression number 12. It's moving to the west at 9, max winds at 35. Here's some good news, though. All the spaghetti models turn it sharply to the north, so as it stands right now, will likely head in the same vicinity that Joyce did, maintaining itself as just a fish storm, which is the best type of storm. All right, back here at home, this is what's left of Helene, and really the same area, just kind of sitting and circling, spinning some rain throughout the region. So Helene just kind of stalling out a little bit. Now, weather spotter photos back here at home this morning. Lisa Trout sent this in. Beautiful shot of the moon this morning. Josie Sutton took this from Juno Beach. And last but not least, Amy McAllister, also another gorgeous sunrise picture from Juno Beach. The only thing we have right now, we have a storm in central Okeechobee. It's lifting to the north and to the northeast, so could be moving into Indian River County in the next 20 to 30 minutes, but overall relatively dry conditions. Current temperatures out there, still 90 in Stewart, 92 Indiantown, and 91 in Wellington. Even though the heat advisory has dropped, it's still steamy out there. Drier air working in for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and that's going to keep our rain chances at bay. So as you can see, we could have some showers overnight, and then tomorrow we will see some activity, but overall it will be limited, so just about a 20% chance of showers and storms. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the low 90s to start, then rain chances increase late week.